How to assemble recessed cellular shades. First, laying out the parts according to our sticker guide. Insert the two side rails into the connector on the top rail. Be careful not to snag the rope. Thread the rope around the connector cylinder and insert the locking tab into the groove in the bottom rail. Insert the end of the two side rail into the bottom rail connectors. Press the fabric towards the top rail. Firmly pull the locking tab toward the center of the lower rail and lock it in place. Adjusting the position of the rope into the groove. The tightness of the blinds can be adjusted by adjusting the position of the two locking tabs. Test the opening and closing of the cellular shades. Put on the decorative cover and you're ready to install. First, distinguish between the front and back of the blinds. The front of cellular shades. The back of cellular shades. Embedding blinds into window frames. Then open the cellular shade. Locate the screw holes in the side rails. Fixing cellular shades with screws. Be careful to move the rope first and that the rope doesn't get screwed in. Installation completed.